Scans are in. Structural integrity is critical. Corrosion is extensive. Restoration won't be easy. We could reinforce the bow with titanium supports. Cost is high. We need more analysis.
Agreed. Prioritize safety.
The hull is slowly becoming whole again.
Commence hull integrity scan. Focus on the bow plating. Scanner online. No anomalies in initial readings. Excellent. This confirms the restoration is structurally sound.
All systems are green. She's ready.
Confirmed. Release the vessel.
Look at her go. It's like a dream.
A new chapter begins.